Hi guys! So this is actually the first day together with our team. So we just met in Warsaw. We will sleep here one night and we'll go to Amsterdam tomorrow morning. And look who is here! Hi Rusty, how are you? Yeah, so we finally all together.
On our way to World Drug Safety Congress.
Yes, we will be in Amsterdam in a couple of hours.
Exactly.
We are all excited. Yeah, so
To meet new people, new faces, and we'll keep you updated. See you.
Bye bye. Diana, how was your flight?
A bit scary, but as always, but I'm here, I'm in Amsterdam.
Yay! In a couple of seconds, actually, we meet one additional colleague of us, Khrystyna!
We're finally arrived at Amsterdam. Here's our team. We met with our HR manager, and we're heading to the hotel.
We need to go party, but not working. I will give you 2 minutes. So currently you see the preparation process. So my team is building up our booth.
Hi guys, we just arrived to the World Drug Safety Congress. Let's see who we're gonna find today. Some new faces, old faces. We're looking forward to meet you.
You see how many people are here at the conference. All my colleagues are talking with those interested in our tool, and I'm just walking around and trying to catch some marketing ideas for the future.
We have just finished the first day of World Drug Safety Congress, and it was great. A lot of insightful presentations, new people.
We had a lot of conversation about our platform, and now we're getting ready to our party that we host. A lot of new people, a lot of new companies. We also go through different booths, try some, activities from different booths, so we are quite happy. We're going to have a very great and funny evening. Everybody is ready to rock.
Gracious, take it right back to the basics. If you want something that's classy, tell them all you gotta do is ask me. Yeah, places. Feeling like 100 blue faces. Put a bow tie on the laces. Now throw a good foot in it. Can I get a witness? Fresh like a new pair of linens. Bought a new crib with a tenant. Now they want a piece of the business. Sipping my tea with a lemon.
Hi guys, 2 days at World Drug Safety Congress is finished, and we're tired, but we have so many new connections. Here's our booth. Here's our team. Team, say hi. Oh, and we're gonna have some celebration. Woo! See you next time.